Now, okay. Dikirepe and Yankyar Sumtang. Agosuma, new phrase. One is question, one is request. Ruba, Yankyar Sumtang, request.
Yankasa means please or means can you repeat?
That's it. Yankyar again, Sung. Say,
Yang sung sung thẳng.
that's a request.
Yang
Sumtang.
sung thẳng.
That's it. Agosuma, that's it.
Okay.
Yankyar Sumtang.
Okay, sir.
That's a request. Agosuma, pero. That's it. Okay. That's also all. Now, some new alphabet. Agosuma. All. Tene Pedrola in the Pedrola. Di carere.
Di care.
Kamare. Kamare di. Carere. Di carere. Di. This one.
That letter. Ka.
Hi. Ka.
Okay.
Agosuma. No aspiration, no air coming out. Ka. From throat. Open and close. Very small throat. Ka. Like this.
Ka.
That's it. Ka. Because it's a category. You see the same pitch? A, ka, ta, cha, pa. You see the same level. Agosuma, peo. Yanker sungtang. Pedrola, yanker sungtang. Di karere.
Ka.
That's it.
Ka.
Yagosung song. Tene di karere.
Sa. Sa.
As a ha, ta, ka, cha, ta. Like this. Agosuma. Di karere, yanker sungtang.
Sa.
That's it.
Sa.
That's it. Just like ta. That's it.
Ta.
Agosuma, pero. Ta. Okay? As we can see, ha, ta, same category. Agosuma, ka, a, same category. Right? From today we're gonna learn this. Di karere?
Nya.
Nya. Soft. Nya. Agosuma?
Nya.
That's it. Till now I have tell you only based on the sound. If I have to differentiate based on the gender, then will be male. Pointy, sharp. Agosuma? Ka, cha, ta. That's a male sound. Very pointy. Agosuma? Then ha as a transgender, middle, boy and girl, male and female mix. Agosuma? Now when you say you can see it's slow, calm, peace, smooth, soft. Agosuma? That's it. On the personalization, you can differentiate like this as a gender. Agosuma? Even in the grammar text, it's right order. Ka, cha, ta, pa, za, nam, po. Ka, cha, ta, pa, ca, maning. Kacha, tapa, zawa, sha, sa, yahya, sa, nam, mo. Like this. In the root letters, it is like this. So if you have to understand in terms of gender, in terms of sound, I have told you both of these now. How goes na? That's it. That's why nya. You cannot say nya. It doesn't sound soft. Doesn't sound smooth. How goes na? Nya. That's it. Tene di karere. Pedrola.
샤, 샤,
Sha. Yanker sungtang.
샤,
That's it. Sha.
샤.
How goes na?
음,
We may confuse this with the sha, but sha is a category. Sha is a category. How goes me? That's it. How goes me? Sha we have today. Sha. Nya. How goes me? Then ka and sa. Here. Ra. There. That's it. There was something. Yeah. Let's try writing, okay? Let's try writing just by listening practice. How goes ma? Let's try this. Yeah. Semchen di nya re nya. It's just nya. How goes ma? Nya. Semchen di nya re nya. Okay? Ta di kare re. Di Nima. Nima. How goes ma? Nya. Kiku. Ni. Ma. Nima. That's it. Par di. Nima re. Picture di. Par di. Nima re. How goes ma? Nya. Kiku. Ni. Ma. Nima. That's it. Fail. Tade. Di. Country di. Kare re. Country di kare re. If I ask Sonam Jogala,
Japan, right?
peago. Ruba, we call them Nihon. How goes my Nihon? Nya,
Nihon.
nya, kiku, ni. Ruba, nya, kiku, ni. Ha, naro, ho, nga, hong, Nihon.
Nihon.
That's it. Nihon. Nya, kiku, ni. Ha, naru, ho, nga, hong, nihon. How goes nga? Fail. Now here, di karere, di, nawa, nawa. Ra, natak, na. Ra, natak, na. Wa, nawa. How goes nga? Try writing it. You will see how is your listening ability. Ra, na, tak, na. Wa as a pa, but because it's second syllable, we read them as wa, right? Just like kawa, kawa, same. Nawa, ra, na, tak, na. Wa, nawa, like this.
What? Natak? Sorry, I cannot get this.
Oh, no problem. Now, when we go back and look at it, it will stay very well in our mind. Just be curious. Agosma. 나와. 빼고. Now this shape is number 2 in Tibetan. I'm gonna spell it out. Kao, nya, kiku, ni, sa, ni. Because of the ka, nya became nya. Kao, nya, kiku, ni, sa, ni. That's it. Kao, nya, kiku, ni, sa, ni.
Khao na.
Na mare nya, nya, nya. Kao, nya, kiku, ni, sa, ni. That's it.
Khao na kiku ni.
How goes on? Oh, so video cannot shut song. Okay, Lasso. Now we look at the letters and see. Di karere, di nya. How goes on? We have here nya here. Okay. Now di karere, nima. How goes on? We have here nya, kiku, ni, ma, nima. That's it. Nima as a son. Remember? Nima. That's it. Then we have here. Dituga? Nya, kiku, ni. Ha, naru, ho, nga, hong. Nihong. As a Japan. Remember? Nihong durguchi. Remember? Ditago. Nihong. Okay. Then we have here number 2. Remember? Ka, nya, kiku, ni, sa, ni. That's it. You might have heard this before. Dini karire, kongni sure, kongni kanere. Remember? Dini karire. Like this. That's one. Ni. Hola. Okay. Then we have a new word also here. Nya, na, nyen. As a verb for listening. How goes on? Nyen. Nya, na, nyen. Hola. Then we have one more left for ear. We said nawa, ra, natak, na. That's it. Ra, natak, na. Wa, nawa. That's it. Here. For ear, noun. How goes na? Ra, natak, na. Wa, nawa. That's it. Pero. Tudiche. Okay. So I'm gonna stop our class here today. How goes na? I can see we all are doing very well in terms of reading. Remember? The sound changes. Remember? I have seen ratak, latak, yatak. Those who have a little problem, you can revision again. Any problem with the reading, meaning, you can ask me or in the group. Anyone of us who knows will definitely help. Okay? We are doing very well. Now we already know 그러봐, 콩수레, 콩가네레, 케랑수인, 케랑가네인, nga tenzin nga pöneyin, nga engineer nga gegenyin, 그러봐, nga doctor 그러봐, nga pöneyin, nga koreane nga mongoliane nga pöneyin, gyagarneyin, yeah, Kathmandu ne all this we already know. Kong Michael Jackson re, Kong America ne, or Ali ne re, Kong Europe ne mare. All this we already know. Whether we know or don't know, we already know this. Okay? You have to find it in there and practice it. Because not only about yourself, others, second person, animals, non-living things. Di tap re, di thang di mik re, riba? Go labna di re. All this we already know. Akosunga, and practice well. I'm gonna send our note in the chat. Also, this link to this. Akosunga, all the notes in this only for our class. Go back anytime. Look down, scroll down. Agosma, Ani Tujiche, that's it. Thank you very much. Lasso.
Tujiche. Thank you very much.
Lasso.
Tujiche, Kaishu.
Lasso. Ni babai
okay.
jemu yung. Lasso.
Aye.
Okay. Lasso.
독지시.
Tujiche.